Yes, good morning, Nana. Today we are going to discuss Telangana State MSET 2019 paper for the matrices. Coming to first paper, first question. A is given 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5, 2, 1, 6. Then find adjoint of adjoint A whole inverse. We know that adjoint of adjoint A is det A whole power n minus 2 into A, where n is the order of the matrix. N is order. Order is given matrix is 3, so 3 here. So that is the det A whole power n 3 minus 2 means det A into A. So adjoint of adjoint A whole inverse equal to det A into A whole inverse. That is the det A whole inverse means 1 by det A into det A inverse. A inverse formula you know that adjoint A by det A, that is the adjoint A. A inverse formula is adjoint A by det A. 1 by det A into 1 by det A, 1 by det A whole square. 1 by det A whole square into adjoint A. We have to find the det A. That is a 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5, 2, 1, 6. Now that is a 1 into 18 minus 5, minus 2 into 6 minus 10, plus 3 into 1 minus 6, 13, minus 4 plus 8, minus 15. We get 21, 6 we get. So adjoint of adjoint A whole inverse equal to 1 by det A whole square means 1 by 36 into adjoint A. Adjoint A means you can start with the second row second element. So 3, write in the column form 3, 5, 1, 3. Second row second element 1, 6, 2, 1. First row first element 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 3. You have to find the determinant. Means we know that is the 1 by 36 into 18 minus 5. 18 minus 5 is 13. 3 minus 12 minus 9. 10 minus 9 1. 10 minus 6 4. 6 minus 6 0. 3 minus 5 minus 2. 1 minus 6 minus 5. 4 minus 1 3. 3 minus 1 3 minus 2 1. This is the answer. Copy the problem. Next question, second one. If the determinant value is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus a4x power 4 is given, then they are asking a1 plus a3, that means suffix odd suffix plus 2 times of even suffix including 0. I will take put x equal to 1 in the given interval. Then we get right side a0 plus a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4. Next put x equal to minus 1, we get right side a0 minus a1 plus a2 minus a3 plus a4 we get. So if we add both of them, we get 2 times of a0 plus a2 plus a4. If we subtract both of them, we get 2 times of a1 plus a3. So you can find separately. Now I will do the put x equal to 1. Then right side value becomes a0 plus a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4. Left side value have 1 plus 3 4, 1 plus 1 2, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 0, 1, 5, minus 2, minus 2, 3. You have to find the determinant. We get a0 plus a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 equal to, you get 4 into 3 plus 10 minus 2 into 0 minus 0 plus 10 minus 2 into 0 plus 2. Then finally we get 13 4s are 52 minus 10 minus 4. That is 52 minus 14. 50 minus 14 is 20, 36, 38. Next put x equal to, this is called 1. put x equal to minus 1, we get a naught minus a1 plus a2 minus a3 plus a4. Right side we get left side 1 minus 3 minus 2, minus 1 plus 1 0, minus 1 minus 2 minus 4, minus 2, 2 plus 1 3, minus 1 plus 4 3, minus 4, minus 4, minus 3. You have to find determinant. A naught minus a1 plus a2 minus a3 plus a4 equal to minus 2 times of minus 9 plus 12 minus 0 and something minus 4 into minus 8 plus 12. Sorry, plus 8 plus 12. So that is 12 minus 9 3 6 minus 6 plus that is a 20 24 the 80. So a naught finally we'll get a naught minus a1 plus a2 minus a3 plus a4. We get minus 80 minus 6 minus 86. This is called the 2. Add 1 plus 2. Adding 1 plus 2, we get 2 times of a naught plus a2 plus a4. Value is minus 86 plus 36, 38 minus 50 minus 56 plus 8 means minus 48. Add subtract 1 minus 2, we get 2 times of a1 plus a3 minus 38 minus 86 minus 124 38 minus of minus plus 86. So this from this a1 plus a3 value 124 by 2 67. Minus 20 then minus 20, there is a minus 28 will get, there is a minus 86 will get, then so adding both 1 and 2 we get minus 58, subtracting 1 and 2 we get minus 57. Then if we add both of them a1 plus a3 plus 2 times of a1 plus a2 plus a4 equal to minus 58 plus 57. That answer is minus 1. Copy the problem. Coming to next question. Suppose n greater than 0, A is a n by n non-singular matrix. N by n non-singular means det A not equal to 0. A is n by n non-singular matrix. That means det A not equal to 0. Det A not equal to 0. And adjoint det of adjoint A is equal to det of adjoint A is given. Then find the matrix whose ranks are the n is, whose rank is n is asking. So first of all you have to find the value of n. Det of adjoint A means det A whole power n minus 1. Det of adjoint A means det A whole power n minus 1 whole square. That means det A whole power n minus 1 2 times right side but left side 1 time, 2 times cancel it. Det A whole power n minus 1 equal to 1. 1 nothing but I will write 1 power 1, that is place n minus 1 equal to 1. N equal to have 2. Since n greater than 1 is given. N greater than 1 is given. That means rank of the following matrix is 2. Rank of A equal to rank of the matrix is 2. So you can check the given options which option rank is 2. Obviously B option every element contain the 2 here. So every element 2 means R2 tends to R2 minus R1, R3 tends to R3 minus R1. We get only one non-zero, so this rank is 1. You can check the first option A. Determinant you have to check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. If we check the determinant 40 minus 42 minus 2 into 32 minus 36 plus 3 into 28 minus 30. So determinant value we get 0. Then you can consider submatrix 1, 2, 4, 5. That is a 5 minus 8. That is a minus 3. So maximum order 2 by 2 non-singular submatrix possible. So rank equal to 2. So option A is correct. Option A is correct by verification. By verification you have to do. Copy the problem. Coming to next question. Consider the following matrices 1 2 lambda 1 2 lambda and column matrix XYZ. This is given. 1 2 lambda column matrix and row matrix 1 2 lambda into XYZ equal to 0. Has then which of the following statements are true? That means given equation is homogeneous. This is in the form of Ax equal to 0. A is the, you can to check 1 2 lambda and 1 2 lambda. So row into column 1, second row 2, first row into second column, first row into third column lambda, second row into first column 2, second row into second column 4, 2 lambda, second row into third row into first column lambda, third row into second column 2 into lambda 2 lambda, lambda into lambda lambda square. You have to check the determinant of the given matrix equal to 0 or not equal to 0. Det A, that is the data 1 2 lambda 2 4 2 lambda lambda 2 lambda lambda square. From the second row 2 common, first row is same. From the second row 2 common, 1 2 lambda we get. From the third row lambda common, then again we get 1 2 lambda. Obviously 3 rows are equal, determinant equal 0. Det A equal to 0 means you have infinite number of solutions. For homogeneous equations, determinant of the quotient matrix equal to 0 means you have infinite number of solution, means non-trivial solution. For every lambda belongs to minus infinity comma infinity, have non-trivial solution. So option A. For homogeneous equation, determinant of the quotient matrix equal to 0 means non-trivial. Determinant of the quotient matrix not equal to 0 means you have trivial solution, only one solution, that is x equal to y equal to z equal to 0. When determinant of the quotient matrix not equal to 0. Coming to next question. A is given 0 AB minus A 0 0 minus B 0 0 and det A equal to 0. You can have to observe this is the first row second element equal to second row first element. Opposite, equal magnitude opposite. First row third element equal to third row first element. Equal magnitude opposite. And diagonal elements are 0. And determinant of the A matrix equal to 0 is given. That means obviously A is a skew symmetric matrix. Clearly, A is skew symmetric of order 3. A is skew symmetric matrix means obviously A transpose equal to minus A. So at the case A 2 3 position equal to minus A 3 2 position. A 2 3 second row third element equal to minus of third row second element. Second row third element equal to minus of third row second element. Second row third element you have beta equal to minus of alpha. Minus alpha taken left hand side, alpha plus beta is 0. Again I am repeating. A is given diagonal element 0 you have, and obviously first row second element is the minus of second row first element. First row third element is the minus of third row first element, and determinant of the matrix is 0 is given. So obviously every skew symmetric matrix of odd order is 0, and like here, so obviously A is skew symmetric matrix. Then A transpose equal to minus A. That means second row third element equal to minus of third row second element. So beta equal to minus alpha, alpha plus beta equal to 0. Answer is 0. A matrix is given, f of x is given. F of x is x minus plus x square plus x cube plus and so on is given. Then f of a plus I is asking. First of all, I will find f of a. F of a means we get a plus a square plus a cube plus and so on, a power 2018. I will like find the a square. A square I am finding, that is a into a, that is 0 5 0 0 first matrix. Second matrix 0 5 0 0. If we multiply row into column, we get the null matrix 0 into 0 0 0. A square equal to 0 means obviously a cube is a square into a, that is 0. This is a power 4 and so on. A power 2018 also 0. Therefore, f of a obviously have a plus 0 up to and so on 0. That is a. F of a plus I, that is a plus I. A is given 0 5 0 0. I means identity matrix, that is a 1 0 0 1. If we add both of them, we get 1 5 0 1. This is the answer. Copy that problem. Coming to next question, 7th one. See here, a minus a comma b comma c belongs to real numbers. So many real numbers we have. A minus b equal to 1, b minus c equal to 3. I will like to convert the three variables in terms of 1. A I will convert in terms of b, 1 plus b. Same b, c also I will convert in terms of b, b minus 3 equal to c. Det A is given minus 12. Det A means A matrix is given obviously 1 1 1. A, B, C, A square, B square, C square equal to minus 12. So this is that equal to 1 1 1. A anything but 1 plus B whole square, B square, C anything but B minus 3 whole square equal to minus 12. This is in the form of, otherwise you can go for one more method. We know left hand side determinant value obviously a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. In the formula, in the material it is a formula, or in the IP also you did in the this problem. A minus b value 1 is given, b minus c value 3 is given, c minus a value minus 12. That means c minus a equal to minus 4. So c minus a, so many real values are satisfies a comma c, satisfies c minus a is minus 4. So you have infinite number of ways here. You have infinite number of matrices. Therefore number of matrices equal to infinite. For every, you can take the, suppose 2 minus 6 minus 4, 1 minus 5 minus 4, like so many real numbers are satisfies. If satisfies c minus a equal to minus 4, a minus b equal to 1, b minus c equal to 3. That is, so infinite number of matrices satisfies the A. Copy the problem. Coming to given equation, have, see, given equation x plus y plus z equal to 1, 2x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 2, ax plus ay plus 2az equal to 4 have unique solution. That means rank of the augmented matrix equal to rank of A equal to rank of AD equal to 3. For what values of A unique solution you get? You can find the augmented matrix AD, converting into echelon form A, 2A, 4. You have to convert it into echelon form. Make these two elements are 0. So R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1. Next R3 tends to R3 minus AR1. we get first row same 1 1 1 1, 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 2 1, 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 2 0, a minus a 0, a minus a 0, 2a minus a 4 minus a. The given rank of a equal to rank of ad equal to 3. Unique solution means rank of a equal to rank of ad equal to number of variables x, y, z. 3 variables have 3. That means a value not equal to 0. If a not equal to 0, then rank of a equal to rank of ad equal to 3. Otherwise, you will not get the if a equal to 0, you will not get the unique solution. They given the unique solution. Unique solution means both ranks are equal to 3. If it is equal to 0, then rank of a not equal to rank of ad. If a is 0 means rank of a not equal to rank of ad. Rank of ad. So solution is r minus 0 for every a belongs to r minus 0. R minus 0, yeah. Then only it is possible unique solution. Otherwise, not possible unique solution. Copy the answer. Coming to next question. First, if the function f from a comma b to minus root 3 by 4 comma 1 by 2. F of x is defined like this is given. 1 1 and on 2 function is given. 1 1 on 2 means 1 1 condition you know, on 2 condition you know. First you have to find the f of x value. 1 1 1 1 1 plus sin x, 1 1 1 plus 1 plus cos x, 1 1. I will do one thing. C2 tends to C2 minus C1, C3 tends to C3 minus C1 or C2, whatever be. Then we get first column same 1 1 plus cos x, 1 minus 1 0 sin x, 1 minus cos x minus cos x, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0 minus cos x. If you have to find the f of x determinant, 1 2 elements, so eliminate that, minus sin x cos x. The range of f of x is minus root 3 by 4 comma 1 by 2. Range of f of x is minus root 3 by 4 comma belongs to minus root 3 by 4 comma 1 by 2 for every x belongs to a comma b. For every x belongs to a comma b. You have to find the a and b. Root 3 by 4 less than or equal to minus sin x cos x less than or equal to 1. Multiply by 2, 1 by 2. Multiply by 2, we get minus root 3 by 2 less than or equal to minus sin x cos x, means 2 sin x cos x less than or equal to 1. Multiply minus, minus change to plus, plus change to minus, minus. 2 sin x cos x becomes the sin 2x, that is the root 3 by 2 less than or equal to changes to greater than or equal to, again I am repeating. Multiply by 2 and minus, we get root 3 by 2 less than changes to greater than 2 sin x cos x, it is greater than minus 1. So minus 1 less than or equal to sin 2x less than or equal to root 3 by 2. Sin is the minus 1 is the minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 less than or equal to sin 2x means sin of minus pi by 2. So minus pi by 2 less than or equal to 2x less than or equal to, sin is root 3 by 2 is 60 degrees, that is a pi by 2. Divide by 2, that is a minus pi by 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 6. So a is minus pi by 4, minimum value, b is pi by 6, maximum value. That is the answer. Copy the problem. Coming to the next problem. The rank of the matrix, they are asking to find the rank of the matrix. 3, 5, minus 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, minus 2, 8, 11, 1, 6, minus 7, minus 14, 6, minus 14. Converting into echelon form. Make these three elements as 0. So R2 tends to 3R2 minus 2R1, we know very well 3R2 minus 2R1. In the Gauss-Jordan method, in consistent you did the row operations, same like that. So R4 tends to 3R3, R3 tends to 3R3 minus 8R1. R4 tends to 3R4 minus, so opposite anyhow, so you can add 7R1. First row same add is 3, 5, minus 1, 4. First row you are not applying any operation, same. So 3R2, 2, 3 are 6, 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 10, minus 7. 3, 3 are 9, plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11. Minus 2, 3 2s are minus 6, minus 8. Minus 6 minus 8, minus 14. These two columns also same, rows also same will get. You have to apply these two operations, we get same numbers will get. I will make these two as 0 with the minus 7. So R3 tends to R3, same sign, so subtract R2. R4 tends to R4 minus R2. Then we get 3, 5, minus 1, 4, 0, minus 7, 11, minus 14, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now number of non-zero rows you have 1 and 2. So rank is equal to 2. Now coming to the next question. A value of theta for which the following system of equations have non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution for homogeneous equations. Trivial solution means determinant of the quotient matrix not equal to 0. Non-trivial means determinant of the quotient matrix equal to 0 for homogeneous. So determinant of the quotient matrix means x quotient 4 sin theta minus 3 1, y quotient z quotient. Here x quotient 1 cos theta 1, 3 minus 12 4 equal to 0. I will make these two as 0 with the help of minus 12 and 4. So R1 tends to minus 12 is there but minus 3 is there. 4 R1 plus R3. Same sense, so subtract. Then first row 4 R1 16 16 sin theta minus R3 means minus 3. Minus 3 into 4 minus 12 plus 12 0. 4 into 1 4 minus 4 0. Remain two rows are same. 2 theta, these are 2 theta. 2 theta 1 3 minus 12 4 equal to 0. So you have to find determinant 16 sin theta minus 3 into minus 24 cos 2 theta plus 12 equal to 0. That is 16 sin theta equal to 3 minus 3 equal to 0 means 3. Sin theta equal to 3 by 16. Theta equal to sin inverse of 3 by 16. This is the one value. One more value, cos 2 theta equal to 12 by 24, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means you have 60 degrees pi by 3. So theta equal to 2 theta is pi by 3. Theta equal to pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 180 by 3, 60, 30. 30 degrees. For 30 degrees you have, if you take 30 cos 30 means cos 2 into 60, 1 by 2 minus 3 will get. At the end determinant equal not equal to 0 will get. If you take theta equal to pi by 6, you have trivial solution. You will not get the non-trivial. So answer is theta equal to minus 3 by 16. Again I am repeating. Theta is pi by 6. You can substitute on that. We get 4 root 3 by 2. This is the minus 3 will get. You have to find the determinant. We get given condition not satisfies. Copy that problem. See the next question. Delta is given, consecutive numbers are given. then 2 delta plus 1 equal to the some determined value is given. Then find the value of x. I will take n equal to 0 in the delta. I will take let n equal to 0. Then delta becomes 1 square 1, 0 plus 1 whole square 1, 2 square 4, 1, 4, 9, next 4, 9, 16. You have to find the determinant, we get the minus 8. You can find the determinant of this value is minus 8. But what is given? 1 delta 1 minus 4 7 minus 2 3 minus 5 3x minus 3 is given 2 delta plus 1. Now I can find the determinant 1 into minus 9 plus 5x plus 4 into 6 minus plus 15 plus 7 into minus 2x minus 9. 2 times of minus 8 plus 1. So minus 9 plus 5x, 21 into 4, 84, minus 14x, minus 16 plus 1, minus 15. From that we get the value of x is, x value 3 will get. Means minus 9x equal to minus 27, x equal to 3 will get. Now coming to next question. See, the given equations have non-trivial solution, non-trivial, homogeneous and non-homogeneous. Say same type of questions every question paper you have. From the linear equations, definitely one question it will come. Linear equation, definitely one question you have in the MCET. So given equation you have non-trivial means obviously determinant of the quotient matrix is equal to 0. That means x quotient t plus 1, next z quotient t minus 1. Here x quotient t plus 1, t plus 2. Third equation t minus 1, t plus 2 and t equal to 0. So eliminate in the two rows t. R2 tends to, I will let R2 minus R1. Next R3 tends to R3 minus R1, I will let. Then we get this becomes a t plus 1, t minus 1, t plus 1 minus t minus of minus 1, that is 3 will get. Next minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 0. You have to find the determinant t into minus 1 minus 3 minus of t plus 1 into, that becomes a t plus 3 plus t minus 1 into t minus 1. We get obviously t equal to 1 by 2. T equal to, we have 1 by 2. T equal to minus 1 by 2 will get. Solve this one, we get t equal to minus 1 by 2 will get. Substitute in the options. Option C satisfies. Option C is 2t square plus 3t plus 1. If we substitute in this equation, we get 2 by 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0 will get. So option C is correct answer. Copy the problem. One thing, next 2 years MCET problems, matrices over. Next I will discuss the one more chapter. This is the most weighted chapter. And one more thing you have to do. For NPL students, IPL students, Spark students and IPL Neon IC. Again I am repeating. IPL, NPL, Neon IC and Spark students. You can enter into every Saturday, Sunday. For Spark students, you have Sunday you have MCET examination. For NPL, Neon IC, IPL, Saturday IIT examination means IIT means, Sunday you have MCET examination. You can go srichaitanya.net. srichaitanya.net. Enter into this website and press the ePregna program. ePregna. On that you have the one schedule they given. Our central office member they given one schedule. అకార్డింగ్ ద షెడ్యూల్ దే విల్ కండక్ట్ ద ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్. ఆ షెడ్యూల్ ప్రకారం మనకి ఎగ్జామినేషన్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తారండి. సో యూ షుడ్ ఫాలో దట్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్. ఎవ్రీ వన్ యూ షుడ్ అటెండ్ ద ఎగ్జామినేషన్. ఆన్లైన్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాయండి, ప్రాక్టీస్ అవుతుంది. సాటర్డే సండే ఆన్లైన్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకేనా అయినా